Shenlanko here. I'm gonna see if I could add 2 LEDs right in the center here for more lighting. I think that'll look good. Angle them down a little bit. I got my LEDs ready. I put a little dab of grease on the tips so I could mark it on the body where I want to drill the holes out. I made a mark on the center of the body, so I'm going to do that now and I'll be back. I have the LED lights wired in now. I'm going to put the body on and see what it looks like. LEDs in. I'm going to turn it on, see what she looks like. Bright like beauties. Now I'm going to see how it focuses on the ground or in front of the blizzard. Blizzard's all finished with the new lights. Lights up the front real nice, as you can see. That should work like a champ.